Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, honorable educators. My name is David Rafindra Rezel. Before I begin to start my storytelling, I would like to give thanks to Allah and our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So, this is my storytelling. One word that changed the world. Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there's a village hidden between two big mountains. But this was no ordinary village. The people here had a strange habit. They loved to talk loud. Oh yes, they talked from sunrise until sunset. They shouted in the markets, they argued in the streets, they even quarreled at family dinners. Words flew through in the air like arrows in the battlefield. Fast, sharp, and unstoppable. But in all that noise lived a boy named Johan. People in this village not truly heard a single thing, by the way. Johan was different from others, the boy from the village. He didn't argue, he didn't shout, he just listened. The villagers called him strange. Some even laughed at him, someone even mocking him. But Johan noticed, others not. Example like husband and wife fighting without knowing the reason is friends turning into enemies over small quarrels, leaders raising their voice so high that they could no longer hear their own people. One day, Johan was walking to the market to seek for some food, and he saw two men stood in the center, fighting over a piece of bread. Their voice roared, their fists clenched, and their anger burned like flame. The crowd gathered, eager to see a fight. And then, guess what? Something happened. Johan stepped forward proudly, his small body lost in the chaos. The villager whispered, "What are you doing? Are you crazy?" But Johan didn't push. Johan didn't shout. He leaned in and whispered a single word. Listen. The world seemed to freeze and they all stopped fighting. The crowd went silent and then something even stranger happened. They began to talk. One said, "I am hungry," and the other said, "I am poor." And then together they shared the bread. The villager gasped, how could one word stop a fight? Johan just walked away and saying nothing. Yet the word began to travel. At school, when children argued over game and someone whispered, "Listen," and they stopped fighting. Even in the village hall, when leaders quarreled over laws, someone stood up and said, "Listen." And guess what? For the first time in years, silence filled in the room. There are many things become better because of this word. The word spread from village to city until the whole kingdom changed. Enemies discovered they have the same fears. Strangers realize they have the same dreams. And the word, it flew faster than any arrows in the battlefield, brighter than any stars. After the word spread, they start acting different. And for the first time, the world changed. But the world not changed overnight. There were still quarrels, there's still noise, but it's getting better. Slowly, little by little, people remember what they had forgotten. That before you can change a mind, you must first open an ear. As for Johan, he was never crowned a hero. His name was not carved into a stone. But his word, his small, simple word, cross river, climb mountain, and find its way to every heart. And so the tale say, if you ever find yourself in a hard situation, in sorrow, or in the middle storm of voices, pause. Remember the boy from the village. Remember the one word that could change the world. The world is waiting for you, and the world is waiting for me. And the word is listen. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.